Hello YouTube. Um, right, okay. Last night I was browsing through Fukushima videos, and this user, Brave Conviction, had uploaded a video, and when I went to it, it wasn't there. But basically, it was to do with strange trading on the Tokyo Stock Exchange in the week or maybe longer prior to the tsunami. So, but when I went to the video at that time, it had been taken down. So I thought I'd have a look myself. But as it turned out, he'd taken it down to revamp it. He wasn't happy with it, but it kind of spurred me on. So I went and I got some charts of activity on the stock exchange, and here they are. And so basically, if you got December 2010, January, February, March, right? So this one's Tokyo Stock Exchange Venture new highs, new lows index, and you can see it's like trundling along in its typical make some bucks, sell everything, da 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 kind of way, and it gets to March the 7th, and everything kind of goes downhill from there. So March the 7th, that's 4 days before the tsunami on the 11th. Okay, and so here's another chart. This one's Venture new highs. As you can see, just bobs along, doing its thing, and then it comes to March the 7th, and it goes down. That's interesting. And the next one, BMO and S&P Tokyo Stock Exchange Equal Weight Global Base Metals Hedged Index. There you go. And you see it's going up and bobbing along, and here we get to March the 7th, and down it goes. So there's a bit of a pattern here, although I guess they're all interconnected. And what have we got here? Equal Weight Banks Index. And here we go. And being the banks, you see how everything's going up until March the 7th. It goes down, but then it goes up some more, because I guess the banks, they really know what's going on, and when they sell things, they buy things, so they're always kind of balancing their portfolio, whatever they call it. And let's have a look. Here's another one. Right, so composite percent of stocks above 50-day moving average index, and see it's bobbing along, and March the 7th, and down it goes. It would appear that the stock exchange has developed not to Japan's advantage. And another one, Horizons Beta Pro S&P 60 inverse. So with this one, down is the new up, as they say. So here we go, trundle, 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 up, 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 and down. March the 7th, 4 days before, trundles down. Now, I mean, we all know about the put options in 9/11, and Mr. Hayward selling his shares off before the BP disaster, and Brave Convictions video was about huge investment in construction companies, but I'll put a link to that. So there you go. And one thing about my personal experience of the tsunami and the days preceding is that I'm in Bristol in the UK, and they chemtrailed us to fuck the days before, and I just by chance got up early a few days, and they started off clear days, and they literally chemtrailed us horizon to horizon. And so a clear day in the morning it started to rain, like 8:30, so it's like clear at 7 o'clock. At 8:30, it was kind of that typical chemtrail rain. It's not really hard, but it's kind of trying to rain, and just brown skies, solid brown, sprayed all day. And one of the nights, let me see, I just felt really uncomfortable, like a kind of unnatural heat, like and the kind of just weird feelings, like your subconscious knows when you're being attacked or something's wrong, but you can't put your finger on it. But there you go. So my personal experience is that they chemtrailed us to death, and it was really weird. And then Bob's your uncle. There was a tsunami and a massive earthquake. So, you know, and the magnetometer readings and all that, they all show, you know. So these guys, they know, you know, they know. So what we got here, composite percent of stocks above 150-day moving average. So here you go, Bob's along. March the 7th, down it goes. And another one. Tokyo Stock Exchange New Highs Index. So here we go. March the 7th. What a cliff that is. Happy days. And last one. Yeah, just another composite index. So, and along the bottom here it says it's like hundreds of millions of yen, I guess. Is it yen? Japanese? Well, they Japanese dollars. I don't know. Can't remember. Good job I don't work in a stock exchange. Well, here it goes, up and up and up and up. March the 7th, everything down. So, you know, there's a bit of a pattern here. It's 4 days before it happened, and everybody, like, whatever they're doing, starting to sell things or whatever. But yeah, crazy life. So yeah, well, much love to you all, and take care of yourself. And if you want to look into this, and I'll put some links below. My channel's a bit bare because I've just started it, but there you go. Yeah, have some good days while you can. Take care.